Can we violate rights?
What do you mean?
Can we sacrifice some animals for the sake of others?
Under my conception of what a right to animal is, they get the right to well-being and a right to be a part of our normal
Right.
calculation
Okay,
of well-being.
what does that mean? Can we kill animals? Can we eat them?
We can do whatever we do under rule consequences to animals.
I don't know, what does that mean? What does rule consequences do we do?
I say that we give them the right to well-being and therefore they are
Can
part of
you-
the aggregate. They're part
No,
of the
come on, can you explain
No,
what
I
that
know.
means?
We aggregate them and they would be calculated in util. So I get, I don't
Okay, so
see,
then-
I don't know
yes, we
when
can-
we can eat animals, but like if eating an animal
So
saves,
can we keep
if eating one chicken saves every other animal and every other human on the earth, then yes, we can eat the one chicken. But
Why?
because that's what util would say.
Okay,
Rule
alright,
consequences.
so that's your interpretation, right? Like, that's all I'm asking.
Yeah, if you look to the top of the AC,
I mean, yeah.
and then I explain why you have to contextualize given a framework. And then I also explain why we have an obligation to those animals if they suffer, which is another reason why under util they would have the right.
Okay, thanks. NCAC.
We've had some pages.
Yeah, some stuff I'm reading off this, but
Is
I can flash them.
Okay, that'd be great. Thank you. Glasses.
I'll just take them off. Thanks. Sweet.
I just unplugged you.
I do. It's fine.
You're okay?
61%, yeah.
Alright.
What's it called?
18-hour star.
Ooh.
Are you looking? It's done.
No, I'm kidding. I have a case neg for your app, so like, don't feel bad about it.
The rest will be off paper, so I'll pass it to you.
No, good. Is this everything?
Yeah, I don't think so. Everything that's not off paper.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I might not read all
Yeah,
of it,
yeah, that's
though.
fine.
It's just depending on.
This is a pretty substantial file, I'm honored.
I just pasted both parts, but I'm probably.
Yeah,
just
yeah,
the
that's
first
fine.
two. Alright, ready? Run CAC.
And David Battle, Justice Finds giving each of the justice not being so intently of social causes, so we need to avoid substance so arbitrary assumptions that cannot necessarily be assumed to be objective young. In a developed theory of justice that stands independently of social context measures, justice fails in one of the ways of theory universal independently exposed to particular social institutions or practices and its objective useful and valued action institutions practices not be used unless it contains substance presence about social life and truth. No social consequence theorizing takes place. A theory of justice that between brutality and necessity implicitly debates moral reflection, scientific knowledge, while everyday discourse about justice and makes things are not there to demonstrate self-closest and instead, it must not be relied on the rational collection of justice to continue recall rather than asserting national state affairs from our ideal quality just all situated copy. So practice the proceedings of philosophy, traditional life, transcend the findings towards the universe theory, don't find the context of escape the appearance of potentially usually bad. Recast and given necessary verse. This week's interpretation or the arguments in terms of Nietzsche and the questions of this Nietzsche's arguments like the subject, the only way we can reconcile it in terms of an object theories. We can talk in social context and agree to what we are in the community. I also arguments about intuitions and talk about one evidence also applying to arguments the only way we can recognize conflicting intuitions to the social context. So young is reason to prefer. So young is reason why the asynchronous social comes to the young evidence or why the young evidence is a better interpretation of what the asynchronous is trying to solve for. Also, the young evidence says that his ideal theory doesn't make any sense in terms of utilitarian. The rule of utilitarianism says we should always maximize expected well-being by we have to make subjective determinations of well-being, for example, which I'll get to later. For example, the social conscience that perhaps like affirmative action would say that we should treat black people better than white people because they've already been injustice in the past, so we would not necessarily treat everybody equally. We would just have to recognize the world. We don't use an ideal theory, we use a non-ideal theory. Then our obligations are only intelligible within shared moral communities because they situate our identities in each case. Being a modern morality treats events what is recognized in the social community, social beings create identity, just their discourse, language, communities, offers, and identity, more moral obligation, life, being within social context, practice, making widely connected to their different believing the right is wrong, because it's relevant, maturity, very different, seeing it's wrong, because it treats her as knowledge about the person does. It's going to be allowed more for why the only way we can recognize sort of conflicting intuition or why conflicting intuition more release is the spirit that comes to what this is these social communities that it actually gives a way we objectify those things, and even if those things don't have to be rejected, there's a way to interpret community subjective experiences. The recognition of session rights comes not to include beings in question shared in community box 1. Having rights describing the toilets function of mutual recognition of person and social group becomes the social group recognizes those in groups and one person with descriptive rights expressed symbolic form of resolve. They should be treated in a manner appropriate to the autonomy of person who perceive those rights belong to each system while each function from the community of responsibility and accountability are essential that the creation for recognition of animal rights is demonstrating membership in the moral community. Box 2 explains what is required. Things that belong to moral community must be done in each capable function within. They must possess the ability to accomplish these language for the purpose of communicating wishes, desires, and choices, capacity, like choosing. They're responsible for grab possession of these characteristics, both capacity recognized and others. Friends will I think of ourselves as first of all community. Social groups mutual recognition, first of systems, developing moral institutions to upon recognition more for this also not becoming some sort of marginal case argument from arguments we can still contextualize the interests of the between out there doing work. We cannot conceptualize the rights of animals because we never know because we've never communicated what those rights are. So our subjective perspective also means that we don't recognize the rights of humans because we don't know the subjective perspective of the animals. This is also an injury link to the asynchronous bar. I can take the animals not capable of being members of the moral community first. We don't recognize animals as rights holders because they are not capable of making moral claims against us, not capable of forming obligations to come. Rights are moral beings who can moral claims against one another necessarily human animals are capable of parents who are not capable of to respond to moral claims, holds rights have to pass a conference. Rules of governing all of the things capable of sex trade, justice, and costs, and writing good things are. Terms of communities governed by moral rules which are for the beings. I don't think it has to be live right to apply this. This is about more also we prefer part of the don't think outliers and ethics which is really marginal case arguments which are general students or human population rather than necessarily students apply 100% of cases. For example, we may have indirect universal rights beings or other types of religions we wouldn't necessarily have that simple 100% interpretation. Then second of all, we cannot recognize animals because they're not able to engage in moral value with Francis at all. The degree of human communication makes possible human beings identify with one another, they can manage themselves in each other's position, they can also justify themselves one another. This applies to animals who remember levels of communication between human beings. Animals may also know where they simply apply to animal and where all identification experiences is likely to be part of fantasy. Then, Casey. First. Starting on the revulsion cases, I'm making internal link arguments about harmful cases of the NC should apply on the harmful cases. I'm also proving that animals would violate our protection of social freedom because since they cannot respond to rights claims, they would not be able to function within the theory of justice because whatever we tell animals to do, they would not follow our direction. Theory of justice would not ever make any sense. So I'm giving comments for the rest of them. Then I'll go on to the one. First, Donaldson one of the false arguments. It is empirical that the fact that we use the word animal is denigrating. The fact that we use the word animal to do anything for example, no. This is the discourse of the right animal. That doesn't tell us anything about the station. Second argument is that the third of all, this makes the question of the importance of this argument. My argument is that, or rather, the question of whether animals were included in the first place. If animals are not included, there's no impact to have a flawed discourse of animals. It's just because we recognize the truth is dependent upon the animals being included in the first place. So, also the NC interprets animals as not being included, so that like it establishes a truth independently of using the